You're watching OptionRally TV. I'm your host, Amy Anderson. Here's a quick preview for May 10th, 2013. Gold cannot keep its luster as the U.S. shines. The U.S. puts their jobs to work. And lastly, 97, 98, 99, okay, it's time to trade. Your daily review is starting now. Gold futures fell in the early part of Friday's Asian session as traders digested some strong data out of the U.S. while embracing the U.S. dollar. Gold is falling short of expectations after its amazing recovery last week. Gold needs a stable solution as attention is now solidly on the USD-JPY connection. Gold opened Wednesday at 1473.05 and nested in at 1457.25 by the end of the day. The US dollar picked up a slight edge against the Canadian dollar on Thursday after official data showed that US initial jobless claims fell to the lowest level since January 2008 last week. Interestingly, the job market across the longest-standing unprotected border seems to never align. The Canadians remained unusually silent as they continue their search for parity with the neighbors to the south. The US dollar finally cracked through the psychological resistance of 100 against the Japanese yen during Thursday's US session, and the good times have carried over to Friday's Asian market as the greenback is spotted higher against the Japanese currency. Now that we're past the 100 mark, expect some rapid movement in either direction in the coming weeks. US dollar to Japanese yen opened Thursday at 98.95 and rose to 100.62 by evening. And now for your daily market watch. U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke will be addressing global investors today at 9:30 a.m. in Chicago on recent U.S. events and upcoming strategy. This event will continue to shape the future of U.S. economy and, more importantly, the U.S. dollar. I'm Amy Anderson. For your daily dose of the market, follow me at OptionRally.com. See you next week.